Well, now that vaccinations are well underway, many of us wonder when it'll be our turn.
News Channel 3's Caitlin Thrope breaks down the order as it stands right now, the plan, and how it might change.
I'd like to be able to have the vaccine as soon as I possibly can.
Paul Otto is a 72-year-old Cathedral City resident with some underlying health conditions.
I'm scared to death about contracting the virus, obviously, so I'm doing everything I can to stay safe.
He's hoping senior citizens get moved up closer to the top of the list in the order of those able to get vaccinated.
On the other hand, the people that don't have a choice, that have to be out working, like the healthcare workers and postal workers and grocery store workers, I don't think I should jump ahead of them.
So what is the order in which people can get vaccinated? We spoke with a representative for Riverside County Public Health to find out.
Right now, we are working on the first level, which is getting frontline workers that work directly with COVID patients and their support staff to get all of them as quick as we can vaccinated.
On the county's website, you'll see 3 color-coded phases. The first phase in red is broken down into 3 tiers, which are mostly made up of healthcare workers and first responders and includes prisoners. After those people receive a vaccine, law enforcement, agriculture workers, teachers, those 65 and older like Otto, and people with underlying health conditions can get the vaccine.
It's also a fluid plan, too. The things can change, the orders can change some, but our plan was put together in collaboration with the federal government and state health officials.
Following the red phase is the blue and then the green phases. In the blue, right now, that means critical and underserved populations, which include homeless, people with special needs, and multicultural communities can get vaccinated. The final green phase is the general public.
The supply of vaccines is important, too.
He says the more vaccines we receive, the quicker we can get moving through the phases. Caitlin Thrope, News Channel 3.
And the county is working on adding the number of people who have been vaccinated to its website. They also say you should receive a vaccination card with the date of your next vaccine after your first vaccination. Remember, it takes 2 doses with both of these vaccines. Coming up tonight, all new at 6, Caitlin will show us a unique tool that can estimate where you stand in line, according to the current plan, to get the vaccine.